and the only Muslim will go to Jannat or the heaven after killing so many people, after committed so many rapes, as Muhammad committed such crimes, the rapes, killings, and the robbery, and Muhammad will be in heaven. Not at all. If any heaven is there or hell is there, the Muhammad is certainly is in hell. So we will show you. Before the partition, many Christians worked for Hindus and Sikhs landlord, and after the division on India. After 1947, properties were distributed in Muslims, so now they are under the Muslim landlords, and Muslim did the same as per rogue Islamic inhuman violent ideology against Christians in Pakistan. Blasphemy law was the another cause horror and fear for every minority in Pakistan. The rogue Muslims threatened Christians that Pakistan is for only Muslims. 1951, two Christians were killed due to, as usual, stupidity of the Muslims, as per teaching of the Islam, against 1,000 women of the Christian in 215 reported the violation of human rights by the International Human Rights Watch agencies. Persecution in Russia of Christians. After 1917, Bolshevik extremities undertook mass killing of Christians, and the Russian churches were vandalized, and Marxism promoted the atheism. Many religious places, thousands churches were destroyed or converted to other uses. Many priests were killed by the Marxism follower, the community member, and extensive educational and the propaganda campaigns were launched in order to canine people, especially children and youth, to abandon religious beliefs. This persecution resulted in the international murder of the 5 lakh Orthodox, followed by the government of the Soviet Union during the 20th century. In the first 5 years in the Bolsheviks revolution, 28 bishops and 1,200 priests were executed with deaths. The state establishment atheism, the only scientific truth, USSR, Union Soviet Socialist Republic, was always against any religioustic performance, whether Christian, Muslims, or any religious activities. Militant atheism became central to the ideology of the Communist Party of United Soviet Socialist Republic, and a high priority policy all USSR leaders. Christopher Mars, a professor of Baylor University, that tracing the social nature of the religion from Celeron Uchers and the Fabuch to Max Eagles and the Lenin, the idea of religion and the social product evolved to the point of policies aimed at